Okay, so new for 2020 is an updated Ford Super Duty. We've increased the capability of Super Duty and now has best-in-class towing, best-in-class payload. Also has a brand new 7.3 liter V8 gas engine plus an updated third generation 6.7 liter Power Stroke diesel. But in addition to all those great capability and powertrain improvements, we're also introducing a brand new Tremor off-road package. So this improves the ground clearance and the off-road capability of Super Duty, especially when it comes to the wheels and tires. So we have 18-inch wheels,
really awesome
with
wheels,
35-inch tires. These are the largest tires that you can get on any heavy-duty pickup straight from the factory. All this aimed at improved ground clearance for off-roading. Also great about this is with the Tremor package, you really don't see much of a difference in capability versus other brands' trucks that lose a lot of capability with their off-road packages. So the brand new Tremor for 2020.